Namaste everyone, this is Sandeep and welcome to my channel Only Study by Sandeep Bhiman. Today we are going to start new topic, verbs. Let's start. So first of all, verbs. What is a verb? Verbs are action words, right? But not every time they show action. Sometimes they show action, sometimes occurrence or state of something, right? I hope up to here everything is clear to you. Let's see examples. He is playing football. So is playing the role of verb here. In next sentence, Ram was chopping the wood. So here was chopping is playing the role of a verb. And here have drunk, right? I hope up to here everything is clear to you. You can see here there are two parts. In next slides we'll discuss about them, so don't be worried. Next we have this is for you. Use these pictures to frame sentences. Use appropriate verbs from these pictures. Make sentences on your rough notebook, right? Two from each picture. Next we have parts of verb. So as I told, there were two here. I had told you is plus playing, was plus chopping, have plus drunk, right? So these are the parts of verb. So a verb has two parts. One is helping and other is main. It is also known as principal verb. Let's discuss them one by one. So parts of verb, first of all, helping verb. A helping verb is also called auxiliary verb. It helps the main verb to provide a clearer meaning. Okay? It helps the main verb to provide a clearer meaning. So keep it in your mind. It is not a verb which shows action or something else, right? It just support that main verb. A helping verb always comes before the main verb, right? It will be in the front of the verb. And if we talk about the types of helping verb, then there are two types, primary and modals. So helping verb, as I told, they support the main verb to provide clearer meaning. And there are two types of helping verbs, primary and modals. So primary verbs, which are primary verbs? Is, am, are. This is the form of be, okay, and was, were also. Then after we have do, and it's a second form, did also. We will discuss them, where, do, where, did, in when we'll discuss tenses. Then after we have has, have, then after had, shall, will. These are primary verbs. Then after we have modals. Will and shall are also contained in modals. So, but they are also a part of primary verbs. Modals: may, can, must, might, should, would, could, etc. Now if we talk about the main verb, the second part, so the main verb is also called the lexical verb, okay, and it is also known as principal verb. It shows action or state of being of the subject, okay. It shows action or state or occurrence that I had told you earlier in the definition. And if we talk about its kinds, then there are two types. One is regular and other one is irregular. Regular verb is that which ends in ed. Its examples are here shifted. They got shifted here. Treat, treated, treated. Ed they are taking at the end, right? So these are the example of it. And if we talk about irregular, then they do not end in ed. For example, sing, sang, sung. No ed at the end. Hit, hit, hit. Shut, shut, shut. Put, put, put. Something like that. So here is the chart. Regular, they ends in ed. tested, waited, sailed, thanked. And here are irregular. They do not end in ed. Sleep, slept, sing, sung, hit, tried. So this is all that we had to discuss today. I hope you got everything about this. Now the homework here, write and learn. You have to draw these pictures also. Okay, you have to make chart of this, and keep revising the topic, test yourself, improve your reading and writing skill. That's all. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.